ABC juice made from apples, beets, and carrots is considered a boon for health. Let's learn about what it is and an easy way to make it at home. To keep the body healthy and fit, it is essential to consume a balanced and nutritious diet. Consuming all the necessary nutrients is beneficial for health and helps prevent diseases. People often consume juices to stay healthy and fit. Juices made from fruits and vegetables contain various nutrients that are considered beneficial for health. Detox drinks are trending nowadays, as people consume them to eliminate toxins from the body. Regular consumption of detox drinks helps in maintaining energy levels and eliminating toxins from the body. ABC juice, made from apples, beets, and carrots, is widely consumed nowadays. It is a type of body detox drink made by combining 3 fruits and vegetables. 3 vital organs of the body, including the liver, kidneys, and intestines, work to eliminate toxins from the body. This juice is useful in removing toxins from these 3 organs. ABC juice consumption is considered a panacea for health. Let's learn about the benefits of consuming it and the recipe for making it at home. What is ABC Detox Drink? ABC Detox Juice or drink is considered a blessing for health. Its consumption is beneficial for various types of health problems, from obesity to weakness in the body. ABC juice is made by combining apple, beetroot, and carrot. These 3 fruits contain an adequate amount of nutrients that are considered quite useful for health. Along with health benefits, consuming this juice is also considered very beneficial for the skin. This juice is very beneficial for eliminating various skin problems such as pimples, blackheads, black spots, and blemishes. In addition, ABC juice detoxifies the body by removing harmful toxins. Due to all these qualities, ABC juice made from apples, carrots, and beets is also called miraculous juice. Nutrients in ABC juice. The nutrients present in apples, carrots, and beets are no less than any medicine for health. These fruits are very beneficial for everyone due to their abundance of vitamins and minerals. After combining these 3 ingredients to make ABC juice, its nutritional capacity increases significantly. This juice contains a considerable amount of calories, along with vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. This powerful infusion is a storehouse of vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, C, E, and K, and essential minerals like folate, zinc, copper, iron, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, manganese, calories, carbohydrates, fiber, sugar, and protein. Benefits of consuming ABC juice. ABC drink is also called a miracle drink. The elements present in this drink are considered very beneficial for both the body and the skin. ABC juice, made from apples, beets, and carrots, is used to prevent deadly diseases like cancer. Its consumption is beneficial for all parts of the body, from the heart to all other organs. Let's learn about the benefits of consuming it. Purifies blood. ABC juice, made from apples, beets, and carrots, is very useful in purifying the blood. Its consumption detoxifies all the internal organs of the body. Along with keeping the blood clean, consumption of this juice also helps in removing weakness and overcoming hemoglobin deficiency. This juice also protects the body from free radicals, good for a healthy heart. The mixture of nutrients present in ABC drink is considered very good for the heart. Drinking this juice helps in controlling blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Since carrots contain lutein, beta-carotene, and alpha, which are considered very good for the heart. In addition, the properties present in apples help in controlling blood pressure. The carotenoids present in this juice regulate the body's cholesterol levels. Beneficial for skin. Consuming ABC juice is very beneficial for the skin. Regular consumption of this juice helps in eliminating many skin-related problems. Consuming ABC juice eliminates problems related to the skin, such as blackheads, acne, wrinkles, pimples, and blemishes. Keeps eyes healthy. Nowadays, people spend the most time on laptops and mobile phones, which directly affects the health of the eyes. Consuming ABC juice is very beneficial for eye health. Regular consumption of this juice improves eyesight and benefits in many eye problems, since carrots contain a high amount of vitamin A, which is essential for the eyes, detoxifies body. Consuming this juice is very beneficial for removing harmful toxins from the body. Harmful substances are present in the liver, kidneys, and intestines of the body. The combination of apples, carrots, and beets in this juice is considered very beneficial for removing these harmful substances from the body. Consumption of this juice is very beneficial for the liver, kidneys, and intestines. Boosts immunity. The immune system of our body is essential for fighting diseases. Consuming ABC juice is considered very beneficial for boosting the body's immune system. Regular consumption of this juice strengthens our body's immune system and protects it from infections and allergies. Recipe for making ABC detox drink. Ingredients will you need: 1 glass of water, 1 tablespoon honey for taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice for taste, carrot, beetroot, apple. Method for preparation: wash and chop carrots, beets, and apples into small pieces. Put them in a blender or juicer and add a little water. After the juice is ready, strain it. Add lemon or honey according to taste or drink as it is. Regular consumption of this juice is very beneficial for health. Drinking this juice in the morning regularly is very beneficial for health. Its consumption boosts immunity and benefits many organs of the body, including the heart, liver, and kidneys. Although this juice is beneficial and safe for everyone, individuals suffering from diseases related to diet and nutrition, such as diabetes, should consult their doctor before consuming it.